Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You've imported the portrait footage. Now create a new sequence sized for landscape. For example, 1920 x 1080 at the same frame rate as your source. Once created, drag the portrait clip onto the timeline and choose Keep Existing Settings when prompted. This avoids automatic resizing. Make sure Program Monitor is set to 100% to view actual composition. You're starting with a clean timeline that preserves original clip quality, while matching timeline dimensions. Once the clip is in the landscape timeline, open Effect Controls and adjust scale and position to frame your subject. You want key content centered and readable. If scaling crops vital areas, instead duplicate the clip, place one copy full-size center, and use the background copy scaled up and heavily blurred to fill the sides. Make sure to match color and exposure between layers. You can add lumetri adjustments to the background to avoid visible seams and retain a cinematic landscape look. You're ready to export. File Export Media, choose H. 264, set output to 1920 x 1080 and enable Match Source, high bitrate. This preserves quality. Once exported, review the file full screen to confirm no black bars, audio drift, or visible seams between foreground and blurred background. If problems appear, render the timeline, clear media cache, and re-export using maximum render quality. If motion looks jittery, enable frame sampling or optical flow for smoother frame interpolation during scaling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.